Diski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. A few hours ago, Kaizer Chiefs confirmed their signings. Phathutshedzo, Nange, Sifiso, Hlanti. One of my favorite players, Brendan Peterson, was a goalkeeper at Ajax and then Peterson as well. Thibedi is coming back from loan with Swallows Football Club. I'm sure I'm missing out someone as well. Njabulo, Ngcobo, major one, of course. Kgaogelo, Sekgota as well from Swallows Football Club. So many signings. You've been talking about the quality. Let's have a look maybe in Mabiliso. Let's have a look and unpack these signings and what you make of them. Maybe Skalo Kupiza, Brendan Peterson. Kaizer Chiefs have already Ngcobo. They already have Akpay. They have Bruce Vuma. So Brendan Peterson, what do you make of his inclusion? Very quickly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice to see you.
Justice
easy.
Our visit as well.
Yes, sir.
Keep on supporting iDiskiTV. We all by means fixing South African, trying to fix South African football. I'm excited, Mina. 3 players.
Sure.
In fact, 4. The goalkeeper in Mbonile Wayex, the way you pitch it was good goalkeeper.
Yeah.
But kuna goalkeeper by 2. I mean, I believe Kaizer Chiefs is coming. Guno Itumele Nkune, Gune Price Bavuma, which is a future. The boy is doing very well. If we replace Ukune in future, Ukune is lot can still have Unimiya a saying I offer. Bangam retires now. But in Bonukune, Axi, late Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, a contract is expired actually.
Yeah, but you need Ukune, like it or not. Good
base there.
Yeah, I don't know about when no Akpay or Ukune. As seniors price by Vumovias Unelo, but for me, we build the team around Ukune. Ang nanking umfana Vuma, give it credit wait you. Nyamni umfana is coming alright. Akpay, should Mabasana local keeper pay is gonna be released.
Well, that's what you are saying, in your opinion. It's also true that because the penny contract Kakune, listen to what I'm saying. When you tell Londo, but it's also possible that Jema Beng Engenu Pisa. Yeah, I'm because the penny contract they haven't signed his contract.
Very disappointing if you can't do that. This is a lot to offer. Isitali samadoda talented gifted umfana pick as well ungakwazi ukusebenza ngebody iyana ngefrustration umfana bakwazi ukuthi bamlungisa bakhulume na isenior players phinde there's a lot to offer kuleko kustill kukhona so bringing Peterson Khune should must be eliminated.
One goalkeeper is going to have to
wrong I'm sorry
it could be Khune, it could be Akpay, one goalkeeper.
Yeah, if it Akpay mean Akpay very good personality umchita is good kwamanye ama team for Chiefs. I mean, for me, Angambon is been a while that has come an experienced player hasn't done well that much. Yeah, unama moment awenzile, but it's unacceptable. It's coming into a foreign one. Secondly, national Bafana Nigerian first choice.
Yeah.
So a lot was expected. So Mina, I don't think it's produced then to be he did fulfill his promises. Go Kaizer Chiefs. So Khune has done a lot for country and Chiefs. So Khune, you know what he can do. You build a team. Price of Vuma is coming very well. It's learned a lot from Khune. Experience Akumfana is coming right now. Laba kemo at Lalidus Proville. Ang nanking by bringing another goalkeeper, especially Jengalo, good goalkeeper. Though obvious kuna manyama goalkeeper wanga pe partner is a good goalkeeper. Mara ugutu release Khune. I mean, for me, no Akpay for me. Mina Bexoba I chose Gutamba. Another players that do Kumangao. I've got 3. Sekgota, very good player. Left-footed. Swallows Oyewa versus Umfana. There's room for improvement. Umfana and very dynamic. It Chiefs them fundamental dynamic. Can cut in if Dalaga right. Dalaga left. Good technique. If he crosses the ball or shoots, very skillful. Travel to eliminate.
One of some of the improvements he needed to make at Swallows. Because I remember we used to watch Swallows and you used to have some improvement areas.
Nyala apomin. Fanamela is good to me. Unpredictable. Langega bami pola funu game to every day. At Kaizer Chiefs there will be fans whereby they will boo you. Ngegulando muntu one way. If you play for Chiefs, remember a lot is expected. Mfanwela asipola make no mistake in Bonide. But me nankuleko game bengisafuna dlala banu Swallows. Yabo. Yeah, bengisafuna ubona mo. adlale ngimbone na national team ngimbone ngoba Chiefs is like a national team. Remember Chiefs darling with Knicks une talent njengoba ngishilo 3 signing kimi ngiyambala kule signing but bengisafuna adlale. So umfana mela ngabe predictable nkuleko mafika Kaizer Chiefs. He must know ukuthi mela kwazidlala off the ball. Ngeke bambhola oloyisalanda umuntu. Bambhola oloyisalanda umuntu. Njengoba dlala ku Chiefs a lot is expected. Psychological angazi ukuthi uzoba strong na. Talent onglima udlala ku Chiefs alsi enough. You need to have a big heart. Ngoba uzodlala ufane nami ngujunior lot of negativity. Mara if you know who you are, uyazi capable ukwenzani, you won't care about that. You respect people, not nervous. So mfana questioning ibuza kuye. Unal talent engilibonile, there's room for improvement. The questioning ibuzayo. Ngoba kwamanye amagame mangimbona ku Solus la bengimi expect ukuthi uzorise beyangarise. Yeah, njengawo le game Kaizer Chiefs ngibukela amagame ayi Chiefs, ngambukela badlana Sundowns, badlana na Pirates. I wanted to see more. So you understand. So mawuya lapha umfana engizibuza ngibonile potential, make no mistake, ngiyambala kule 3. I-question nje enginayo kuyo ukuthi uzokhona ukuthi abe consistent ku Kaizer Chiefs na ngale pressure Kaizer Chiefs enayo in terms of not winning anything, in terms of abebanga sign and ama players sign manje abhekwe a lot. So umfana kuye i-question ukuthi uzokhona na ukuba ukuhandle that pressure. Going to Hlanti atala nginkinga naye senior player left back engalawuleki. Mina ngifuna left back technically must be good. You must know to sign as a left back. You can be wing back, so-called wing back currently, but left back. So if ulawuleka, understand the position yakho ukuthi nge-left back. First mabangipasa ibhola maliza phakathi ngivula ibholi. Ibhola kwazi ukuliphasela inini, mina ula appreciate. Every time baphasa ibhola ungena phakathi ushamatha bayidile. Umuntu ekumele abamba ibhola more than you abongcobo family. If uzobamba ibhola as a left back more than abongcobo sokora nini. So Hlanti mela ikene la ne problem naye. Nimbonile kusalo sadlala not much seeing him. Bafana watch him pit first. I don't know ukuthi recommendation ye coach yambile na Chiefs I consider. Ngakusalo sangibonanga match. Mina nkuleko nginkinga no Hlanti kakhulu, lot of things tactically. Timing njoba ngisho ungizwe kahle nkuleko if we defender usignwa as a right back, left back or center back, both ngikhuluma nga side right center back 4 and 5, right center back or left center back, you know ukuthi first priority yami ukumarka. So Hlanti mela zazi ukuthi is a left wing or uyangana umjita unaleyo problem akalawuleki, tactical is poor. Nenje into bamphasa ufuna ungena phakathi kwika futhi mabampressa kule nyawo lika right akakwazi khaba ngalo. So 1-on-1 he can't deal with that as well. Uyahluthuka if kunomuntu omlanda because of ufuna kuba late athola ama booking. So ayiyaxolisa ukuya kule mfana Ngcobo hayi Kaizer Chiefs have signed star lisa. Ya mangibona bo OJ Mabuzela I star lisa. I-question nje ngizibuza umuntu odlala nobani. Bazomcomplimenta na lo muntu odlala naye. Ne coaching igrand izoba grand. Mara star is Chiefs signing. Sekgota yes ngiyamnika 5-5 Sekgota ibholelazi but ku Kaizer Chiefs the name Kaizer Chiefs is gonna fit na. Italent unalo ngilibonile li testiwe na. You understand ngoba khona ngibabonile mina ba performile kwamanye ama club when they come they know where to be seen. I've seen the numbers of them I can mention. Lo mfana lo Thibedi one of the best. Vele life inwenza kanje is like ukujump umgodi ingeke ujump umgodi umela you go back mawuzuza ngepower jump from far. Mfana did well, he deserved to come back there. Good signing for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, actually is their player anyways.
Ngisho kanjalo o bebangamrelease ngithi bane choice but lapha basayinile player labo. I don't know kula ma player labo yalapha ngazi uGavin May kanjani utahambe lamfana lazi ibhola he knows football ene umaturile ukuthi adlale lapha nako kumsizile. So
there's also Mabiliso as well from AmaZulu. He didn't play the whole season because of maybe a contract situation. Under 20 international.
I don't know who recommended
2 years old.
Angazi ubani umrecommendile mhlamba bheki age side lakhe bar kunama play MTC ku Chiefs ane age kuyo ukuthi lama play Kaizer Chiefs MTC have been watching angayiboni that best indaba ibhola lamanje nalo likwatisa kakhulu nkuleko omunye umuntu angacabanga ukuthi we busy pointing fingers but it's true ukuthi uMabiliso ngimbonile kanda 23 years bengibona do bangayitelevise most of but ngimbonile there were games kumaZulu ngimbona idlale he was not playing regularly. So why signing him for Chiefs? If you're not gonna play for AmaZulu regularly, why signing a room for improvement? Kuna player that ungawalanda ku development issues, they understand the culture. But don't ngobi Chiefs na ilahla identity yayo. Mhlambi question mark mara ku Chiefs lo mfana ukuthi bamsigning ne question mark ngaye. Going to Nange. beyanga i-starting 11 consistency ku
Stellenbosch.
So I've never seen him in a Stellenbosch because as an impact player, usipaka msebenzisa as an impact player.
Yeah, he looks heavy as well.
Ngaphandle heavy sharp bangadila ngayo ngale pre-season bambambe nge-individual mhlambe i-training but the quality I mean I don't care says what nyazi abanye abantu banengcondo ukuthi awu uNange hasn't done akan ispark lesi sifuneka ispark as attacking. I don't think it's got it. Yeah, unalo uyambona ukuthi talent unali talent but it's not enough to be signed for Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, that's what I can say.
Yeah, so overall maybe as a last question, I think Khnaye intent. I think what you've been saying last season was Uguti, they need quality, they need to sign. I think Khnaye intention, manje. Obviously, they could do better scouting. Obviously, they can improve in terms of picking up players. But Sekgota, Ngcobo is an indication Uguti, there is an idea Uguti they want to strengthen. Overall, would you say are these players going to help them? Coupled with the coach as well of Stuart Baxter, are they going to help them regain maybe even a top 4 next season?
Ngulego, it's very very tough the question ongibuza yona ngoba iKaizer Chiefs amanye ama results for me akusidi way badlala ngakhona, so it determine future yabo. It's going to be tough next season for them. Basayinile kusikulo mfana njengoba ngishilo the goalkeeper, yes ngiyavuma Peterson. I respect Ngcobo star player sami alazi ball. I wish many different is amongst the best in PSL. I started him na Cimento same category. Yeah, bona bulibusa same category. The Rock started. Nakubafana bafana mabambizile deserve very deserve to play for Chiefs. Another player, Sekgota, very good player, but the question is he gonna be able to play under pressure now? A lot is expected from him. Uzokhona ukuthi arise ngibabonile abanye omunye win play of the season kuphi echimini makafika lapha with the instruction nale into expected from him angarise on and off yabantu yashisa abande all you understand. So kule mfana lo njengoba ngisho Sekgota yena Ngcobo naye ulo the goalkeeper.
But overall you feel ukuthi with these signings, is it going to strengthen them, or are they going to go down, or are they going to stay at the same level?
Yazi inkuleko mina uyakena mina ngi straightforward my brother, any bhola ngibheka ngiyami indlela yabo iKaizer Chiefs effect ngizokutshela ivara ilento eyenzeke almost ukuthi last season dala iKaizer Chiefs ingasign phela iqala ngala season. They had a choice in the last 5-6 years.
Yeah.
Okay, you understand mhlambe bebanengcondo ukuthi we will come back and nama player nabo promise ebawa sign. Even the same problem le ukuthi we signing ubani
Billiard, Castro.
They understand Manyama, they bring those players. Ramatlo Mpatlela, but they didn't help them. Yabo, kama yes I feel ashamed mfana support. Ela support. Yabo. So kulama and kama is prove himself forever la buya khona. Njoba ngisho kuBoSekgota, ubona ngithi ngiyamnika ngiphinde ngibe ne question mark kuye. Umfana that much kuSolos eyazanga rise that much. We need to be realistic. Yabo Ngcobo yes it is hayi inkuleko leyalazi yeah Thibedi uprovile lazi ball another superstar, another kune room for improvement yabo. Kaizer Chiefs lamfana lo bengamelanga bamambise kunamanye ama player kunabo amanye abuye mbone ba promote amanye bawathenga that is far better. So kune two Thibedi Ngcobo Sekgota 50-50 goalkeeper yes I give Peterson, but ungizwe kahle ukuthi others I've got a problem.
All right.
So, ukuthi strengthenile for me I see the same. Ngoba inkinga iKaizer Chiefs is not all about ukustrengthena phela. Like ungizwa noma ngabe basayina nkuleko mina uyazi nginenkinga ya overall like they needed ukuthi ba reshuffle into eningi kakhulu uqala mhlambe similar like pants ngoba ukufuna izinto za quick abafana they will be under tremendous pressure. Bakhona bazoyihandlela bakhona ngeke babayandlela. So mawuthi kimi ngibona kuyi like it's signing yabo it's good. Yes 2-3 players I think 3 yes ngibona abanye ne question mark. Yeah,
all right, there you go. I mean all the best to the teams and the players as well. Sundowns have also signed Pavel Safranco. They've also signed, we'll talk about it another time and another day, but they've signed Divine Lunga. They've signed quite a few players, Grant Kekana from Supersport United, so we'll talk about that as well in another time. It's going to be an interesting one to see what impact these players are going to have. Thank you very much for watching our video.